Hey, what's up everyone? This is Joe. I hope everyone is doing well and having fun making awesome websites. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to add a video background to your WordPress website using the SiteOrigin page builder. This is a question that I received from one of my viewers, so if you have any questions, please post those in the comments and I'll be making more videos on users' questions. So in this tutorial, I'm going to be using the Upwerd WordPress theme, which is a theme that I created. So if you go to upwerd.com and then scroll down and click the download theme button and then save that to your computer somewhere. I'm going to save it to my desktop. And then go back to your WordPress admin and then go to appearance and then themes and then click add new and then upload theme. Then click this choose file and then go to wherever you save your theme and then select it and go to open and then install now. And then lastly click activate. After you do that, you're also going to need the SiteOrigin page builder. So go to plugins, add new, and search for SiteOrigin page builder. And then select this one, page builder by SiteOrigin. Click install now. Then activate. And then go back to add new again. And then this time search for SiteOrigin widgets bundle. And then install now. And then activate. And then install one more plugin. So go to add new again. This is a plugin to do advanced options for video backgrounds. So search for video background SiteOrigin. And then install this one, video backgrounds for SiteOrigin page builder, and activate. So once you have those three plugins installed, let's go create a page. So go to page, add new. I'm just going to call this video background. And then select the page builder tab. And then click this button to add a widget. And then search for hero. Now if for some reason the SiteOrigin hero does not show up for you, what you're going to need to do is close out of this and go to plugins and then SiteOrigin widgets. So if you go there, I'm going to publish my work first to save it. So go to plugins, SiteOrigin widgets, and then in here you could search for hero, and it might look like this. So it's deactivated. So just click this activate to activate it. So I'm going to go back to the page I just created. And then select page builder and then click this button to add a widget and then search for hero and then select SiteOrigin hero and then click in here to edit to open up the settings. So the first thing we need to do is click this add to add a hero frame and then click here to expand the options. And you can add a background image if you want. But in this tutorial, we're just going to add a background video. So click this add under background videos, and then click that to expand, and then click this choose media. So I already selected a video. If you're looking for sites where you can find free videos, I have a few here that I'll add to the YouTube description. So one of those is pixabay.com. So if you go to pixabay.com/videos, they have free videos that you can use. And then another site is pexels.com. So videos.pexels.com. They also have lots of videos for free. And then one more is videasy.com. With videasy, though, I should note, is their videos require you to link to them. So if I open up one of the videos, you'll see the license. You go to the license, it'll say for websites you have to paste this link on your website. But with Pixabay, you don't have to. The videos are licensed under Creative Commons 00 or CC0, which means you don't have to, right here it says attribution not required, so you don't have to provide a link. You can if you want, but it's not required. And same with Pexels. They're also do not require a link. So if you go here, it says CC0, so attribution not required. So you don't have to provide a link. So just something to note. So go to these sites and find a video you like and download it. So let me just show you how to download it. And so say you want to download this one, this is on pixabay.com, and then you click here, this free download. Click that, and you can, I would just, the 720p is HD 720p is fine probably, so just do download, and I'll save that to my desktop. And then we go back to WordPress. So let me close out of this just to show you. So this is in the SiteOrigin hero options. We click this choose media, and then go to upload files, and then click select files, and then you would select the video file and just go open, and that would upload it. I'm gonna go with this other video that I found. I like this one, and then just click it and go click set media, and then scroll down until you get to design and layout. So here we need to add some padding, so because if we don't, you will only see part of the video. So I'll show you. So right now it has 50 pixels of top and bottom padding. So click done and just update it, and then you just click the link to view the page. You'll see it's only showing 50 pixels. So if you're wondering what pixels are, your monitor screen has so many pixels. So for example, your monitor might be 1,000 pixels wide by 800 pixels tall. So we chose 50 pixels. So this is 100 pixels because it's 50 pixels on the top, 50 pixels on the bottom. So this is 100 pixels. So if your monitors are 1,000 pixels, this is taking up 10% of the height of your screen, if that makes sense. So as you can see, it's not showing much of the video, so we need to add some more padding. So let's click the edit page to go back, and then click here again to open up the options, and scroll down to right here where it says top and bottom padding. I'm going to change this to 200. So that will make the height of the video 400 because it's going to add top and bottom padding. So it would be 400 pixels high. So then click done, and then update. And then click here again to view it. So now you can see the video. So I'm going to go back to edit page and open up the options and just show you some of the other options that you can change. So some other things you can do, let's go back to the frames, open up the frames, and then also open up videos. So in here, another thing you can do is add a video or a blur effect. So change this, and then I'm gonna click done, update, and then I'm gonna view the page. You can see it has a little blur effect. So that's one thing you can do. But yeah, also if you click this live editor, it's kind of nice. You can edit, you can see a preview of your changes while you edit. So it does save a little time. So as you can see, there's the page on the right side and then the widgets on the left. So same as when you're on the edit page screen. So click here to open up the options. So if you open up frames, if you wanted, you could also add some heading text here. So this is a heading, and you can highlight it, and if you click this, you can get more options. So click that, and then change the heading 1 center, and click done. And then you can put a heading over the video. So another question my viewer had was, how can you add a play or pause button, and also how can you make it so that the video only plays once, it doesn't loop over and over. So with the SiteOrigin Hero widget, as far as I know, you can't add a play button or a pause button, and it will loop the video, for infinity. So to be able to add a pause button, play and a pause button, and make the video only play one time, what you need is a plugin that we already installed. So I'm gonna click done, get out of here, and go back to plugins. I'm gonna leave. And then you'll see we download this background videos for SiteOrigin page builder. That will give us some additional options, which, for example, play and pause button, and it'll allow us to only play the video one time. So if we go back to our page and edit the page, and then I'm just going to delete this because we don't need this anymore. So just delete that, and then hover over this wrench, and you get this edit row. So click edit row, and then you'll see there's on the right side under row styles, there's this background video. So this is that plugin I was just showing you. This allows you to add a play and a pause button right here. Add pause and play button. And you can also pause the video after a certain amount of seconds. So for this plugin, you need the URL. So unfortunately, the plugin didn't make it real easy to insert the URL, so you have to go find the URL. So to do that, you go to Media, and then go to Library, and then find the video that you want to use. So click on, and then click on it, and then you'll see on the right side there's this URL. So just click in here, and on Windows it's Control A, and I think on Mac it's Command A to select all the text, and then Command C or Control C to copy the text. So copy that URL of the video, and then just close out of here, and let's go back to our page and edit. So I guess we didn't save it, so we gotta delete this again. So I'm just gonna delete that, and then hover over the wrench and go to edit row, and then click this background video to expand it, and then click enable, and then right here is MP4. So your video might not be an MP4. It's most likely going to be an MP4. So for example, I'll paste it in. As you can see, it ends in MP4. So it might be one of these other types of formats, but most likely an MP4. So just paste it in the first text box and scroll down. And so you can add an overlay. You might want to add a different color, and then, for example, say you want to make the the video a little darker, you could add color overlay, and then add some opacity, which would give it see-through, so you can see through the color to make it darker. I'll show you how to do that in a bit. So scroll down, so you can fade in on start. That's a nice effect. And then you can pause the video after a certain amount of seconds. So I'm just, for demonstration, I'm going to make this really short. I'm going to make it 3 seconds. And then I'm going to add the pause and play button. I'm going to move the pause and play button to the left side, and then I'm going to put it on the bottom. And then I'm going to click done. And then update. And then I'm going to view the page. And as you can see, you can barely see the video. So we need to add some padding like we added to the SiteOrigin hero video that we added. So hover over the wrench and go to edit row, and then where it says layout, click that to expand, and then scroll down to where it says padding. So we need to do the same thing. So we want to add 200 to the top and the bottom. So click here, and it's going to add to that one. So just click 0 here and 0 there. So this is 200 top and 200 bottom, and pixels. So let's click done, and then click update. And now, if we view the page, you'll see we have our video. And there's a nice, oh, and as you can see, it after 3 seconds, it fades out the video. So you might not want the video to go away, because to me it doesn't look that great now. There's just nothing there. So to be able to make it so the video pauses and you still see the video, you have to add some CSS. So to do that, click edit page, and then let's add a row. I'm just going to make it 1 column. Let's click insert. And then I'm going to click it, so you see how highlighted, click it, and then go to add widget, and then search for text, and then click this text widget, and then click it to edit. And then in here, you want to paste in this style, which is some CSS that will modify so the video will not fade out. So I'll post this in the YouTube description so you can just copy and paste it. So paste that in, click done, and then update. And then view the page. Then now you'll see after a few seconds it will stop, but it still shows the video, which in my opinion looks a lot better. So on the bottom left you'll see there's this play and pause button, so you can play or pause the video. So that's how you do that. So click edit page. I'm going to go over some more of the options of the plugin. So hover over the wrench and go to edit row, and then open background video, and then scroll down. So as I was saying, there's this video overlay. So I'm going to give you an example. So I'm going to change the color to just black, but then I'm going to, in here, I'm going to put in opacity. So a 0 would be completely see-through, where you wouldn't even see the image, and then 99 would be where it would be opaque and you would see all of the image. So I'm going to put let's say 70 in there. Click done, and then update, and then view the page. And now as you can see, it's dark, but it's a nice little effect. So you can give it a little dark appearance. It's good sometimes if you put text over, you have some light text, and the image might have too much light. So if you give it this dark background to it, you can see the text better. So that is how you add a video background with the SiteOrigin using SiteOrigin Page Builder. If you have any questions, please post those in the comments and I'll get to those as soon as I can. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be creating more videos on users' questions, and so I think it'd be great to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.